Tony! I don't know where the fuck this Tony is. I'll have to just check the door.
You pervert! Sick bastard! First you gone with me and thought it was okay to go after my daughter next? Don't you have shame at all?
Rachel, I'll call you back.
What do you think you're doing? Are you crazy?
I know you are doing this to hurt me. Was I not enough for you?
What? Look, Charlotte, I don't have time for your bullshit. There was never an us. And I told you all along, whatever happened between us didn't mean a damn to me.
Don't think that I'm going to take this lying down.
You are a manipulative, conniving, controlling bitch.
Oh, now I'm a bitch. How convenient. Now listen to me carefully. If you want to save your image, give me $1 million.
1 million. Are you out of your mind? Why would I do such a thing?
Remember all those dirty pictures which you sent me? Not to mention, you can't make your movie without your leading lady. And I'll make sure that my daughter would not do this. She will not resume shooting with you.
Look, Charlotte, I'm begging you. Please don't do this. I've worked on this for 5 years.
You don't have any idea how much I'm enjoying seeing you beg like this. You are a pawn in this game. One wrong move and it's checkmate. 24 hours. Don't forget.